I wanted to give you a 2 or 3 minute description of the vision of how we're going to take our SketchUp models and turn them into construction drawings. I'm going to swipe over and show you a SketchUp model that I built a couple years ago. I've talked about this house. This is a house that I built up in Montana. So this is how I designed the house. This is in SketchUp. And so similar to your project, I have a model, but to build it, you can't build off of this model. You have to build off of a set of drawings, which look like this. Okay, so I took that model and I exported it so that I could then get floor plans, a site plan. You can see the roof there, the foundation plan. So I cut through the house lower. Elevations, which are exterior views of the house. So this is what's used for construction. Everything that the contractor needs to build and also price out the project is here. Okay, this work was all done in AutoCAD, electrical plan, and ceiling plan. Okay, this work was done in AutoCAD. This work is done in SketchUp. Okay, I'm going to show you how this model gets exported and then imported into AutoCAD, which is a much better tool for adding all this information, notes, dimensions, information on materials and finishes, and lots of, if you look up here, I have lots of notes for code. You're not going to need to add all that, but if it was a real project, you would. So I'm going to get us at least started on that so you can see the different tools we use and understand the process. Okay, but this is sort of just the introduction to the vision. I'm going to have a video next here that shows you how to export out of SketchUp. Okay, save those files, and then I'll have another video that shows you how to bring those exported files into the AutoCAD program. Okay, but I'm going to keep this one short, so we'll have several videos.